How to block ad on Android. Number 1, go to setting. Search for more connections. Click on more connection setting. Click on private DNS. Here it is automatic, then put it on private DNS provider hostname. Then insert dns.adguard.com. Make sure you on your data so that it could connect. Number 2, go to your home page. Search for Google. Under security and privacy, click autofill service from Google. Click at. You can either delete or reset depending on your devices. Let's just delete advertising ID. That's all.